IELTS/TOEFL Vocabulary Lesson 9 Global Challenges. Global warming. The current rise in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere due to greenhouse effect. If we use more petrol, we create more pollution and add to global warming. Political instability. A rapid and managed change in a country's political situation. The strike is aimed at causing political instability in a democratic country. Civil war. War between people inside a country. It will take many years for our nation to recover from the civil war of the 1990s. An outbreak. The start of a widespread problem, such as disease or conflict. The outbreak of Ebola is a great concern for doctors globally. Joblessness. The state of being unemployed. Joblessness among older people is actually higher than among recent graduates. Social unrest. Riots, protest, or fighting by the public against each other or the government. Social unrest is spreading from the countryside to the cities and the police are not responding. Do you know the meaning of overconsumption? Tell us in the comments below. Quick revision.